The program is designed to develop the key competencies needed in digital era and business environment. The key topics of the program are artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, Internet of Things, healthcare data, management of the processes, and not to forget, human touch. Choosing one of 4 specializations: healthcare, public administration, non-IT manufacturing, and professional services, you can help your company to revolutionize healthcare delivery, optimize processes, enhance administration system, and develop technology and innovation in your organization. With the expertise of Riga Technical University, Riga Business School, and international partners, as well as supported by industry experts and funded by European Commission and Latvian government, the program opens the new road for you and helps you with a fast track to your new career point. Upon completion of this program, you will be ready to innovate, lead, and drive digital transformation. The program is not just a degree, it's investment. It's contribution to your future, to your bright future. What are you waiting for? Apply today.